as they're locked inside Hell in a Cell. This is a nightmare no one can escape.
Abandon hope, all ye who enter here. A score will be settled tonight.
And only one competitor will survive the Devil's Playground. From the apron. She returns the favor there.
Oh, what a counter.
It'll destroy your face.
If you're just tuning in, this is Hell in a Cell. Oh no, we've got a problem here, guys.
Superplex! Man.
She's calling for it. Ah, look at this now.
Uh-oh.
Got him where he wants him. Oh, bridging package power.
It's like a questionable decision on paper, but I'm sure she has something up her sleeve here, Cole.
Brought in the hard way.
Whoa, not so fast. Oh, that's how you establish dominance.
Can there be frustration mounting in these competitors, knowing it's going to take more to win this one?
You can't let those feelings seep into your psyche. You have to keep your focus.
Oh, no. Oh, position in top rope, heading up there. This is not going to be good.
Could be catastrophic.
She's got something in mind. Now, look at this now.
Uh-oh.
Got him where he wants him. Oh, bridging package power bomb. Oh, the dreaded claw to the shoulder.
Man. The volume in this building has increased exponentially. The fans are willing these competitors to push forward.
Win or lose, these superstars are going to be held in high esteem after this one.
Just a relentless attack on the head here.
It's like the thing has a target on it or something.
Oh my goodness, this is not good. Flatliner.
Face first.
We're going swinging. Look at this one more time.
Here's the cover.
And the pitfall gets him the win.
The Hell in a Cell matches never disappoint, guys, but this one falls right into the legendary category.
impressive showing for the win tonight.
When it comes to impressive women, this girl might just top the list.
And as we expected, WWE Extreme Rules has been a brutal evening.